Hey everyone, it's Jeff from, that's right, New York, and we're visiting, that's right, Las Vegas again, and we're downtown in Las Vegas visiting the California Hotel and Casino. And if you look towards the right of this shot, you're going to see the back end of Circa, which is going up very quickly. It should open this summer, 2020. Circa will be the tallest and biggest hotel and casino downtown, but that's another video coming up once it's completed. The California Hotel and Casino is unique in that it has a Hawaiian flair, including the decor and the food. The California is a block north of Fremont, but everything is within walking distance around here. This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And here we have the registration area of the California. I have to say this place is pretty spacious and clean, and it's got a kind of like an uptown feel to it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. We're coming up to the casino bar here. It's called the Holo Holo Bar, in keeping with the Hawaiian theme. Google defines Holo Holo as to go out cruising or riding or out for leisure. For example, many visitors in Vegas go Holo Holo for a loose slot machine. Again, this casino and hotel just seems so bright and airy compared to other casino hotels down here in downtown. Some of the dining venues here are the Redwood Steakhouse, the California Noodle House, and the Aloha Specialty. And now we're coming upon the sports book. It's kind of small, but again, we are downtown. I am going to do a video on the Westgate, which has the hugest sports book I've ever seen, and that video is going to be coming up shortly on this channel. Some of the shops here at the California Hotel and Casino. If you plan on visiting Vegas in the near future, check out the link below in the description. 50 things to do and tips while visiting Las Vegas. Quick shout out to Elizabeth Ibarra, Kyle the Great, Brian Kim 65, and Wise Malik for finding Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in very recent Las Vegas videos. Who will be the first to spot Mitzi in this video? This is another short video, but again, these places downtown aren't that big, which is why these videos are much shorter. A couple more and we have downtown pretty much wrapped up, and we're going to head back uptown and also head to the Grand Canyon soon, so stay tuned. And it looks like we're heading into the California Arcade right now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.